Hello everyone, this is Javed Sheikh from Valley Vision Decor Technical Services. We talk about your experiences in life with people around you, the good and the bad experiences, and there are some experiences which leave a lasting impression on your life. I'm here sitting with you to share one of those very amazing stories, very touching stories, something which I will never be able to forget in my life. A story of compassion, a story of support, a story of dedication, a story of sacrifice. Why I'm using all these words is what happened with me, which I'm going to share with you. I'm here to thank a fellow BNI member who, if he would not have been there when I needed him, or if he would not have helped me the way he helped me, probably I wouldn't be sitting here and talking to you. So I'm sitting here with all my heart, with all my emotions, talking to you about how a fellow member from BNI had helped me. It was this year, the month was March, precisely 15th of March. I was feeling uneasy in the morning, and I didn't know what to do. My pulse rate was falling drastically, and I was having tremendous breathlessness. I was feeling weaker and weaker, weaker and weaker. I didn't even call this gentleman. His name is Shirish Jain. I just know him as a BNI fellow member from a different chapter. He called me all out of nowhere. It was just coincidence. He called me in the morning and he asked me, Javed ji, kaise hain aap? I said, Shirish ji, I'm not keeping well, otherwise okay, but I'm feeling this breathlessness. And he said, I have a feeling that you have some problem with the heart, and I'm going to take you to the doctor. I insisted no, because he was a busy man, and it's inconvenient for anyone to come and help someone without notice. But he insisted, and he came to meet me. He met me, we checked my pulse, and he said, sir, this is very bad. And that was in the morning at 9 o'clock. Believe me, he cancelled all his appointments. He didn't even bother to figure out what he has in for the day, how is it going to impact his day, the whole day. He took me in his car, and we went to doctors after doctors, one doctor after the other. We met about 7 doctors throughout the day. Every single moment he was with me throughout. The reason why we met different doctors is because he was not convinced. He was not convinced that the doctor we went was giving us the right advice. He said, no, we should go to another doctor to take a second opinion, a third opinion, a fourth opinion. I said, Shirish bhai, let's go home, I'm feeling okay. He said, no, you're not feeling well till the time we get a final advice from a doctor which is convincing, who is convincing. And we finished the whole thing at about 9 o'clock when we finally met one doctor, and he decided to do the surgery on me. My problem was I had lack of heart rate. My pulse rate had fallen dramatically. If Shirish would not have been there, probably I would have been out of this world. So he helped me throughout the day. I was operated the next morning. He was with me the next morning as well. The whole day he was with me. He didn't leave my side even for a moment. So this is the power of BNI. There are so many different advantages. There is monetary advantage, there is market awareness, you learn a lot of things in terms of your business, how to deal with people, but the most important thing which I realized after the incident that took place is community and support. BNI members are not only supporting you in terms of your businesses, but they hold your hand all through when you need them the most personally as well. So Shirish Jain, thank you very much for whatever you've done for me.